Hi guys. Every time I go in my workroom and try and do some tidying up, I find one of my old projects and pick it up and start playing with it. This is a kit that's supposed to have a saltwater battery in the back of it. It's a lovely bit of engineering. The motor's up there and then it drives this 8-cylinder engine and it's 4-wheel drive. Although this one I actually picked up in a charity shop and it's missing the gear for that wheel. So it's 3-wheel drive in fact. And it works fine. But I modified it so it runs off a supercapacitor. This one's 2.7 volts, 5 farads. And I just gave it a try and it goes. It's amazing. To charge it quickly, I'm using 3.7 volts, which is a bit much, although this battery is probably not fully charged. If we just stick it in there, charge it up. Oh. Put it down there. I'll chase it with the camera if I can get the camera off the tripod. Right a bit. There's so much detail going on in there. You see how far it's going. I can't keep up with it. Not keep up with it and film it at the same time. I think it's slowing down. Yeah, definitely slowing down. Slowing down, but still going. Just turn left a little bit, which could be because of that one wheel not being driven. I'd be quite happy if it did stop, so I don't have to keep following it. All that detail in there. We've been going. Well, we're not doing the full length because I keep turning it around, but it's an 8-metre run, so it's probably doing 7 metres. So this is its 5th run. It's 35 metres so far. I did a lot of projects with supercapacitors. I'll put a link in the video description so you can have a look. Obviously I did cars, I did boats, and I did aeroplanes. Very definitely slowed down now. It's quite jerky. You could solar power it as well. I can't believe how long that's lasted for. There is a very slight uphill incline here. Nothing that you would notice, but a little car like that notices. It's where the 2 floors join together, the kitchen and the conservatory. It's made it. That's why you can quite often hear a creak on my videos as I walk past this point, because this is where we go from a wooden floor to a concrete floor. Is that it? No. Oh, come on. Video's 9 minutes long now. Oh, yeah, that's the creak of the floorboards. Yay, stopped. Finally. So there we go. I don't know if these are still available. If they are, I'll put a link in the video description. I've got one, I think, a kit that I've never used, because I found this one in a charity shop, cheap, ready-made. So I don't think I've ever made the one that I've got. Well, I know I've never made the one that I've got, but I may have given it away. Brilliant little kit. And as I say, we're running it off a supercapacitor instead of, it should be one of those saltwater batteries. Have a look in the video description. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.